HPCL has released notification for recruitment of engineers in various different disciplines of engineering. Let us go through the important points of the notification. First and foremost, you need to know that the commencement of online applications starts today, that is on 23rd June, and the last date of online application is 22nd July, right? So 23rd June to 22nd July. They have mentioned the age limit as well as the educational qualifications required for the different vacancies. So for mechanical engineer, the grade is E2, the total number of vacancies is 103, maximum age limit is 25 years, and the essential qualification is a 4 years full-time regular engineering course in mechanical engineering. Same as for electrical engineers, the number of total vacancies is 42, instrumentation 30, civil engineers 25, age limit has been mentioned, and the necessary educational qualifications has also been mentioned. Now, they have also mentioned which branches of engineering can apply under each discipline. So, for example, under mechanical as well as mechanical and production students can apply. Under information systems, computer science and information technology students can apply. So, go through this carefully. The eligible degree has been mentioned for each discipline. So, what is the selection process? First and foremost, you have a CBT, that is a computer-based test. It is going to comprise of objective questions with no negative marking, and there are going to be 2 sections. The first one is general aptitude consisting of English language, quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning, data interpretation. And then you have technical and professional knowledge test, wherein you will have questions related to your qualifying degree and your educational background. So if you are a civil engineer, questions related to civil engineering. Candidates who qualify in this CBT will be then called for a group task and personal interview, and candidates must get the minimum qualifying marks in each of these steps in order to be finally shortlisted for selection. Let's look at the pay scale. For the grade that you are applying, that is E2, the total cost to the company per annum is 16.26 lakhs. An important point is that there is going to be a pre-employment medical examination. Those candidates who are declared to be medically fit by hospitals empaneled by HPCL itself can only be considered for final selection. So all candidates have to be declared medically fit as per the standards prescribed for the post by the company. Point number 9 mentions all details related to reservations, relaxations and concessions, including category-wise breakup of vacancy as well as the relaxations pertaining to age. So do go through that point if you are eligible for any such reservation. As mentioned earlier, the online application process starts today, that is 23rd June. Last date is 22nd of July. You have to apply online on the Hindustan Petroleum page in the careers section. Link will be given in the description box. You can go to that page directly via that link. They have mentioned an important point that all the details given in the online form will be treated as final and no changes will be entertained. So when you do fill out the form, fill it very carefully. There will also be a document verification when you will be called for further processes, and any mismatch in name, qualification or other documents will lead to disqualification. The mobile number and the email ID that you use, remember that it should be an active mail ID as well as an active mobile number at least for a year, so that until and unless the entire process gets completed. Point number 12 lists some general instructions. You are instructed to read each and every point carefully before applying to find out what points are valid for you, which points are applicable for you. As we all know, HPCL is one of the most reputed PSUs of the country, and this is a very good opportunity. There is no mention of the GATE examination, so all of you must apply for this position. There is no minimum work experience required either for the position of engineer in grade 2. So do make use of this opportunity. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. All the best.